Nababaw ka ba rin? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Noms Concoction. Just to let you know guys that this is a promotional video, so more than a review, it's a feature of their products. So to know more about Noms Concoction, samahan niyo po ako. Tara! Alright, so let me just read some information about Noms before we tikman natin yung kanilang mga concoction. So from the name itself, from the Filipino word inom, and the concoction means it's a mixture of various elements. So kung mapapansin niyo po yung mga label nila, parang yung pangalan ng mga elements sa yung mga chemical table of elements. I think so. Okay, this one is a CP or a Cosmopolitan. This is vodka, triple sec cranberry, and lemon. This one naman is Soju Margarita. So it has soju, triple sec, lemon, and sugar. Now this one is actually interesting. It's called SM or Soju-Melona. Of course, from the name itself, meron siyang soju, honeydew, and soda. So meron tayo dito. Later, we're gonna taste it. Now in the middle is called Soju-Lychee SL, Soju-Lychee, and Yakult. Whoa, this is really interesting. I love Yakult, guys. And then the next is MA or the Malibu. Ingredients are rum, pineapple, and grenadine. Ayan. Next naman is the Blue Hawaii or the BH. So it has rum, pineapple, and blue curacao. And then the last is the SC or the Sidecar. It has brandy, triple sec, and lemon. Now for those of you who are interested to give this away as a gift dun sa mga best friend nyo na mahilig sa mga ganitong concoction, no? So they do have this kind of box, if you notice. So elegant, so slick, so plain and simple. So inside of it, so it's a metal flask, and then with the metal flask, of course, meron tayong funnel. Ayan. Meron din tayong 2 shots. And of course, meron tayo nung Noms Concoction. So, you can actually add a customized message kapag pamimigay mo to actually. So, yeah. So, this is really so elegant. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, oh, magpapasko na. And if you're looking for an alternative for your giveaways, for your Christmas gifts, I think this one is suitable, lalong-lalo na again dun sa mga best friend ninyo na mahilig dun sa mga like these kinds of concoction. Alright, so additional information about Noms Concoction. So these are actually available through order dun sa fan page nila. Now if you're looking this on a physical store, they are available at K-Mart convenience store as well as Wangja Korean Mart. Alright, let's cut into the chase. I want to taste first is yung kanilang this one. This is called Soju Margarita. So ito yun, nilagyan ko na kanina. So according to our orientation, these are concentrated concoction. It is advised na you add a lot of ice, sabi ng owner natin. Alright, so let's taste this one. Wow! Para sa akin, I'm not really a soju person or a margarita person, so di ko masyadong ma-compare it with the other traditional one, but very recommendable dun sa mga first-timer na maka-encounter sa mga ganitong concoction. Okay, so the next one is Soju-Melona. For this one, I think it tends to lean towards the sweet and candy and fancy drinks, Okay, so this is the Milona. Alright, I knew it. So sabi ko na nga ba. Again, it has that, soju spirit. But then again, it tends to be a little bit candy, a little bit ice cream. Yun. So ganun yung impression ko dito sa drink na to. Okay, I wanna jump next to this red glass right here. So it's called Malibu. Wow! I am really impressed and surprised with Noms Concoction. So again, before I proceed, let me congratulate Noms because these are really great. These are surprisingly good. So ito yung parang pag dinala mo sila sa mga gatherings or events and then you let your friends try it. Ito yung sabi ng, wow! Ang sarap! Mapapaganon talaga sila, guys. Alright, so lastly, for our sample glass, this is Blue Hawaii. Again, meron siyang pineapple. I think ang difference niya dun sa Malibu natin is yung Blue Curacao. I hope I was able to say that correct. Anyway, so this is our last bottle. Again, guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much, Noms, for trusting us and allowing us to promote your products to our We're in Pampanga community. For more information, guys, we're gonna be flashing the fan page and make sure to contact them if you're interested to just taste it or do business with them as a reseller. So I believe they are also looking for resellers. So yeah, for the last glass, guys, tama ba? Kampay or cheers. As it always say at the label, drink moderately and responsibly. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Until then, please stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Have a nice day. Peace out.